Hello everyone, welcome back to another stream. I want to migrate from OpenAI to Gemini. We already have an AI coach that have been built over OpenAI live API. Actually, it's a live API that we can have live conversation with it, and Gemini also has the same product over its API, which is really faster, more efficient in many directions in terms of function calling, costs, even speeds, even extracting transcripts from the user's voice, and yeah, that's why I am migrating to the OpenAI Gemini version. All right, let's begin. What we have here, let me just organize my scenes. I need this browser. I need to open the ClickUp, which is my task manager. Switching to the code scene that you are able to see my task manager here. Let's go to the relevant project. Okay, so we have a task for it. I already I took it really simple because one reason. So I just provided a few links here. These two links are relative with the official documentation from the Gemini Live API, okay? And the another link is a README file which is already on, it's from one of my repositories. Let me show you. You can check it also. Oh my god. Okay, and then there is something called AI lecture assistant that I built for my university time, which is active right now. So I threw a PDF to it and it starts give me lecture over the PDF, and it is really efficient because there are times that I'm not able to attend to the classes, and everything have been provided through the class for some reasons are not completely in the PDF. So that's why I created this to use the AI general knowledge to being added over the PDF knowledge and then being provided to me as an AI lecture assistant that I can really interact with it to talk about different parts of the active slide, moving to different slides. It talks with me in different languages. It tracks the usage cost. It tracks many things, and yeah, this is a really robust experience that I had with the Gemini Live API, and I tried to generate a README over this experience because the documentation of Gemini is not really, it is descriptive, but in some directions it's not really clear. For example, it's not really clear to how to extract the usage cost. The total token have been spent for one turn, the user turn or the AI turn. So they talked about it, but it is not exactly clear. You need to put some debug points over your code to really catch that data, and that's what I did and try to explain here. For example, to track usage, you see we need to have a usage metadata over the message that comes to the events, and many other things that I use based on my expectation. But at the end of the day, yeah, that's the README I mentioned in the task description. Also, let me switch to light 10. It's I'm much more satisfied with it in current moment. Okay, what's the main task? The main task here is I already perform some steps of it. The main task here is to migrate the AI Live Coach from OpenAI to Gemini Live API, which already sits in these two files, okay? And then I provided some direction to it, since this Gemini API will be used really widely in the project. The live conversation side of the Gemini, I mean. I wanted to create an adapter for me first as the really basic core functionality, which provides function calling, token usage tracking, and the session managing, and then these other two scripts will be the replacement for these two files, okay? But before going further, I'm going to show you what it already is, and later we will see how we migrate to the new version. So I'm going to the, so you probably know or you don't know that I'm working on this product, the Subturtle, which actually it's a language learning practicing tool, and it's being installed over your Google Chrome to being used in YouTube. Then your YouTube subtitle gets some interactivity ability that you can interact with the, let me show you. Okay, let's pause the music for a few minutes. Okay, what we have here.
Hello and welcome to an...
It's all about Bitcoin now. And you see, I can
another update video.
See the translation of multiple phrases or one phrase in the language I selected. For example, my mother tongue is Kurdish and Persian, but I selected, but let's have Russian, for example. You see, this is in Russian, the terms in Russian, and whenever you click over it, you will get more definition of what is this. But since the language between me and you probably is English, let's switch to English. It also works over English. So, okay, so if I click on this, it provides you more context. And the context is based on the whole sentence, not that part you selected. And that's really matter. So Here, let me go farther and select this part, for example. So as you see, it is, first of all, it understands that you are in the financial scope right now. In financial markets, a strength index is a technical indicator used to measure blah, 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 okay? And then it gives you some examples, and then you can save it somewhere in default, for example, okay? And yeah, as I selected the collection, I can save it. Okay, it has been saved, and then I can get it in my dashboard. The dashboard is here. So it was in default. This is it, strength index with the definition. Okay, so what we are going to change is this live session button that we have. I can go to the live session to practicing these phrases, and let's go to do that to see what we are doing. Let's say 3 phrases.
Hi there, welcome. You can click on any vocabulary card to start practicing that specific word. And when you're ready, go ahead and unmute your microphone so we can chat.
Hello, that's pretty well that I have you. Let's start.
Great. I'm glad you're ready. Go ahead and select a vocabulary word you'd like to practice by clicking on one of the cards.
Great
Okay,
choice.
clicking.
Great. So let's practice the phrase, it's a steep learning curve. First, let me explain. This phrase means that something is difficult to learn at first and requires a lot of effort. Now, can you try using it in a sentence? For example, you could say, learning to play the guitar is a steep learning curve. Give it a try.
I'm going to learn a new instrument. So, but I'm not sure what to choose. I heard guitar has a steep learning curve. Probably I'm not go with that.
That's a good example. You're right, learning the guitar can be a steep learning curve. Now, can you try using the phrase in a full sentence again, maybe about another instrument?
No, just go ahead.
No problem. Let's try this together. You could say, learning the piano is a steep learning curve, but I'm excited
No,
to
just go on to the next phrase.
No problem. Let's move on to the next vocabulary when you're ready. You can click on the next card and we'll practice that phrase. Got it. Let's focus on the word compromise.
It means to make a mutual agreement where both sides give up something.
Now try using it in a sentence like, they had to compromise to find a solution. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
I really don't know how to use this phrase. Would you bring an example, really simple example for me?
Of course. Here's a simple example. If you both want different things for dinner, you might compromise by choosing a restaurant that has both.
Now, can you try making your own sentence?
Okay, so I'm not going farther. Just wanted to show you what is this AI coach. So this have been built over OpenAI, and I'm gonna change it. So and also just give you a few more points here. This is the session history that we had right now. So probably maybe the transcript have been improved, but it used to be really bad. It was really not usable for production, but still at the end of the day, OpenAI live conversation is really expensive. which is the main reason for me right now to switch to the Gemini, which is at least 8 times cheaper, and it is a huge game changer. Okay, let's continue. I already explained what I want and you already know. So AI made a plan for me. What's the plan? Let's read it. Migrate, and by the way, let's bring up the music again. Okay, migrate the live. It has been explained. So important side is this plan introduces a new dependency. Yeah, right. I will assume. Yeah, okay. You need to do that. Front end. Create a class Gemini live client. Yes, right. For the adapter, it's creating the Gemini live client. Let's see what the capability is. Connection to connection, nice. Audio streaming, event, server content, tool call, yeah. Tool execution, integration with lookout tools, okay. So, it should have usage tracker also. But let's go on.
Let's go.
Apart of that, Gemini session store, create opinion, disconnected. Okay, this specifically this opinion store is for the phrase practicing that we already checked together, and apart that we have the interface layer here, so which is Gemini live practice page. And what is this? Practice dashboard, optional later. Ideally add a button to start Gemini live session for testing, or we can just access the new root directory. Okay, 2 points here. First is we need to mention we need token usage tracker. We need token usage tracker. Received from Gemini and being provided to the project tracker, usage tracker, investigate about it. This is one comment. Another comment is, I really forgot. We can have actually in the bundle, in the collection page or bundle page, the page that contains all of those phrases that we saw together, it's here. And so here, so we have a button, phrase list, in the practice side. I think it's in the action side. Okay, after breadcrumb, this is the page info. Probably it's here. Open review model. It's here. Let's go. So it is probably it should be a model. Yeah, it's a model. So this is how it works. Let's search for another. I know that there is another. There is, yeah, it's here. Okay, So I need to mention this side. You search for method to see how user gets into live AI live session page. Method in the front end side. Okay, we provided the comments here, and now let's send it. Investigate and update the plan. Let's go for music. I also have some sort of workout here that I want to do. It's 15 push-ups. Right, let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Cool. The first have been done. We start the workouts widgets. Okay, it updated the task for us. What we have. Token usage tracking, lesson for that. Okay, that's expected. Regarding to the okay, the plan seems okay. Now let's implement it. Okay, let's go with another. I'm going to do squat now. 15 squats. Okay. One, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! I really like this music. Cool, it is doing really great for us. I already tried to do the same task with another editor called Terra Try or Terra Try. I don't know what is the correct form of pronunciation for this editor. Their website is, I would say, they have been really great with the designing and promoting their product. Look at the website, it's really great. I'm going to get an idea from this website for Subturtle, for this Subturtle website. And yeah, they are really great. You see they have different products, which all of them is finally a browser, not an IDE, sorry. And let's see the IDE. It's another clone of the VS Code that have been changed dramatically. Even the user interface, which is, I really believe that the user interface of this clone of VS Code is the best one among others. The cursor, anti-gravity, even the VS Code, the Tra is really the best one in terms of user experience, UI, user interface. So, but their agent is not really as capable as anti-gravity is or cursor is, and that's why I just gave them a try. You see, I explained the same prompts and then I just ran it to do things for me, but honestly it wasn't really what I wanted. And then I just stopped using it and left a comment for them that described some aspects that wasn't delivered my expectation, you know. And yeah, came back to the anti-gravity here to redo the task. So it did the task. Let's run the whole infrastructure from Docker to our applications. The first thing we need is to run the MongoDB here, and then it is server or front end. This terminal is for front end. Let's create another one for server. yarn dev. It just starts the dev script for us, which is the development runtime, which watches the files. So we have errors here, not on the front end but on the server side. Let's give it to the anti-gravity. I got error. I got error. Come on. So it's kind of see what it changed for us. There are, from front end, it changed the pages, the Gemini, and from here, the live session. What it did. Oh, it haven't changed. It haven't changed the live, the function on the server side, which creates the imperial or inferior token for us. So inferior token is a token that it is okay to reveal on the front end side because it's one-time user, something close to this. It seems working. Yeah, it's working, but I need to mention that you need to create another you see imperial token. Let's see what kind of functions we have here. Imperial token. Oh, Gemini imperial token. For some reason, this was already inside the code, but I don't know how. Okay, that's okay. Then what we need is let's see how it is doing the token generation. Probably it's doing the same from according to the OpenAI, it's doing the same. It is some created stuff that let's ignore it for now, if the user is on freemium or not, but still can't see. It is the section that generates the token from Gemini side. Alright, so what we need is a Gemini API key. Okay, for this I'm going just to disable my screen for a few seconds. Alright, I'm coming back. Just a few seconds. Let's go. I am searching for the token. I'm just searching if the token is provided. No, it's not provided already. I need to generate another token. So I am generating the tokens from Google AI Studio, if you are aware of it. It's a great product from Google that you can already build many things there, from software to media and materials like picture, videos, and you have ability to manage your API keys as well there. And that's why I am creating something there. So looking for the right project, alright? I need to import the project there first, then I'll be able to create. Now I need to name the token for, so the token could be development. Yeah, also token here, if you generate the token from AI Studio of Google, you will be able to see the tokens. Whenever you go back to the token list, you can just copy paste your token. It will be revealed each time you want, and yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, still copy pasting now. Okay, I'm done with the copy paste step. Let me bring back you on the stage. Hello. So the music gone also. Let's find the music, better music. Now let's search for white coding in night. Or maybe let's say Archriders white, because Archriders is really hot. It's a game that I recently started playing. Instrumental. It should be instrumental because I am speaking over this music. Okay, let's go on with this. I provided the Gemini API, and let's rerun the server. Now everything run. Now let's back to let's go to the directly going to local host to see what is the result for us have been built by this great editor anti-gravity. Okay, already went to the dashboard and find a finder here. Nice. Gemini Live API beta. Okay, let's again, we need to pause the music, so start again. Okay, something is missing in configuration. What happened? Go back to dashboard. Go back to dashboard. Bring back the music. Still we have job to debug these things. again the bundle and again the Gemini. Let's clear the network. Please start. It's weird. It don't. First of all, don't request to the server to get the Imperial token. Okay, let's say the Gemini session. The Gemini session page is not requesting for Imperial token. Check it. Open the file and see what is inside. Meanwhile, it is working for us. In the initial points, in the month point, we create live session. We have to create live session. Where is this comes from? Okay, it's here. Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you doing? Gemini session. What is this API key? Okay, it seems that it has been implemented really wrong. Let's explain for it. The Gemini API key must not be at the client side. So client request for a Imperial token, then by getting that token it can token from server. Or from server. Okay, let's mention the function for it. Where is the function? It's here. Oh my god. Okay, then by getting that token, it's the who. There is a store for us. It's a Pinion store that is Gemini session store. It's able to not Gemini session store, but there is a file called the service. This service Gemini is able to run a session. your implementation is wrong in few points. So check and revise it. And let's wait to see what is happening for us. It's weird that Gemini 3 Pro High is supposed to be more smarter, but it does really some stupid steps. Definitely your prompt should be really clear, but I think the Flash one, based on my experience so far, the Flash version was really better. It's here. It's here. Okay, it is doing things for us. Let's trace its stance. I detected the client and store to use did not fully apply the change. I am reapplying the removal. I have completed the refactoring and fixed it. Okay, since it didn't change any server side, and let's check. There is no need to rerun the server. Okay, it removed. So this removed, and let's enter to this method and see what is happening here. Function start session. Okay, let's say accept for everything. Start session. The config and then get imperial token. Let's see what is this token being used. This token is providing to the Gemini Lite client to be used it seems okay when the client is probably created, then it just call the connect and then it gets connected, create live session, record. Okay, the metadata goes to the record for the server side, but let's see what is happening here. Okay, usage tracking. Connect. It is connecting the audio, building the session. First of all, this model is wrong. Let's change the model. I think we can find it here. Yeah, we can find it here. So response modalities audio speech config. All right. I think we need to just comment speech config because the config for the Gemini is different than OpenAI, and just want to see start audio input. Does it take functions for starting tools? Yeah, it gets tools. Yeah, it gets tools, but tools. Okay, handle message, handle usage, handle tool calling. Okay. But definitely tool calling has its one. Tool calling is one. Okay, we can fix it. But let's see if the initial conversation works or not. Going back to and bundle, this one is empty. Let's check another one here. Start. We got an error from server. Failed to create Gemini Imperial. Let's check. Let's check on the official website. Getting started. Imperial token 0. JavaScript. Pass token create. Shouldn't be here. New session expired time. HTTP options. Okay. That's all. Failed to create. Message code. That's very weird. Okay, let's put a debugger here and open a terminal for JavaScript debug. Run the server. Refresh everything here. So you have the clients. I believe the API key. That's stupid. Why is it known, not found? It's really stupid. Status 404. Here. Okay, it's here. So when you create an API key, there isn't any option. Oh, maybe I need to just turn on the Gemini API. Probably I need to activate it on my project, maybe on the Google console, GCP console, maybe. Let's check it. GCP. Okay, what we have? Gemini API. It is already activated. Let's see Gemini live data. No, this is the one. That Gemini is the one I need to activate, and that's it. Manage. Let's go to the manage and see what is here. Oh my god. I don't know. Let's create another test. Live API for test. But this project is working already. Let's change the token. here. Okay, again, I need to what? Let's just hard code it here. And restart the server. By the way, let's check the market. Let's recheck this page. Again, I got which version of Google Gen AI is the last version? Let's search in Google. Gemini Imperial Token. Okay, someone had the same problem. It seems like it's coming the V1 beta endpoint. Need to add the same. Good catch. I tried this. Is that inside the config? I think it mentioned here as well. Let's check. Oh yes, this is what we missed. Yeah. Cool. Then let's restart. Okay. Let's restart and get back to. Let's remove this as well. Okay. Restart the server. What the hell is this? Actually, this is so since this is the you see the session already the available session that I can do with the tutorial version already reached, so I reset I can reset it on the development branch. Okay, let's re-enter to the bundle and try it in Gemini. Now you see it gets empty again. Nice, finally we got the token. Can't read properties of connect. There is a I want the file. Open file first. I got this error in last session page. I use this cream. I use this cream because my hand or part of my skin, but mostly around my hand, gets really dry in some seasons like winter. It might be about temperature, but I experienced same in, not sure, but maybe in summer as well when I was in Turkey. Oh, so let's wait, let's hope. What do you do? Let's restart. Now I cannot read. It says I cannot start a message. You can't read the per live. What is this? Client is this? Again, we need to check the inferior option. Okay, it's here. So initiated the called AI and live and then connect. Client should be like this, but I need to type it because it is really bad practice to not to have type. Okay, that should works. Response modality audio. It has error, but let's just go ahead. Again, I reached the maximum number of allowed lives. It's only 3 times that you can make live session. Failed this time. Okay, this time failed to fetch the flashcards. Empty all the network list, and so this is for the Imperial, this is for for some reason failed to fetch flashcard. Let's give it to the AI also figure out for us. Okay, I have applied a fix for fetch the flashcard. Access from profiles user detail. Don't really know what it did, but let's check from the UI. Well, okay, we got these Gemini session errors. Probably we need to add a screenshot. That's for you to okay, it added the same API version on the client side as well. Then it probably, but it's really sad that this is on the alpha version. We need production version. Let's go on with it. Go back, restart subscription. And go back to another phrase bundle. Let's run the Gemini. Okay. So the tool function has, it should be an array probably, but it is not because of the wrong implementation. So it is being changed for us because the tool function is a sort of function in a specific ways that we define. Did it really change it for us? Because I didn't realize it. No. Come on. Okay, let's go back to check it. First, reset the subscription. Second, go back to the dashboard, enter into a bundle, select Gemini, start. Oh, it seems hello. Oh, you see? This is the issue. Let's get out of here. Come on, I'm really waiting for it. I want to test if I want to see how the Gemini voice is here, how much fast it is, how much smart it is to providing what it does. How much fast and how much smart it is providing the lecture to us. I'm figuring out what it's doing. Search for connect. Let's switch to Flash. Flash is really better. Okay, we need one more round of push-up, probably. Let's go for it. One more extra. Okay, this is done. Get back. Still thinking for us. So let's go. Let's go with the squats as well. 15 squats. No, still thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, 14, 15. Still thinking. Okay, second round of okay, should be oh my god, still thinking. Let's stop it. Okay, this should be that should be. I need to clean that. Here, which error am I getting? It was session.send. This is the service. This is the service also. Which is session. Let's type it. But this probably for some reason is not referring to this. But the problem is let's check the documentation. Now the capability is saving and receiving ID saving text. Where is the session? Live and then probably this session. I don't know, maybe from web. Okay. Okay, it should be send client. This is send tool response. Okay, this is it. Another one is sent to Gemini. Send audio format. For some reason this is incorrect. Let's mention this. This seems incorrect for what? Check tags here. Digital Okay, it seems it might working. Gemini session. The model is wrong. It says the Gemini Flash is not it should be this. Oh, there were another Gemini session. Let's go back here, reset the subscription. Yes, I want to reset. We need to, when we say when voice, the config here. Hello. Hello.
Hello, welcome to our English practice session. We can work on likewise, as a matter of fact, eventually, or box. Which one would you like to start with?
How many phrases we have here?
We have 4 valid phrases to practice. Likewise, as a matter of fact, eventually, and box.
Let's start with likewise, but can you explain it in Persian language first?
حتماً در فارسی به معنی همچنین، به همین صورت یا من هم نیز است. عبارتی است که برای ابراز موافقت یا آرزوی مشابه به کار می رود. حالا چطور می خواهید تمرینش کنیم؟
خب اول بهم یاد بده که چجوری باید استفادهش کنم.
Likewise معمولاً در پاسخ یا در تکمیل جملات استفاده می شود. مثلا اگر کسی بگوید It was nice meeting you. شما می توانید بگویید Likewise، یعنی من هم از دیدن شما خوشبختم. یا برای آرزوی موفقیت Good luck و پاسخ Likewise. متوجه شدید؟
Yes, that was really great explanation.
خوبه. حالا سعی کنید یک جمله با likewise بسازید.
Okay, this was really impressive. Let's try again because the voice of AI for some reason wasn't cool. Salam.
Hello, I'm happy to help you practice your English. We can work on words like likewise, as a matter of fact, eventually, or box. Which one would you like to start with?
Ooh, well, let's check AI assistant, AI lecture assistant to see Gemini live, probably mass manager. I want to see which model this script is using. It's here. Oh, we have a file here, constant models. It's here. We have the same. That's 9, this is 12. Let's go with the 9 version. To see hello.
Hello, welcome to our English practice session. We can practice some vocabulary today. We have likewise, as a matter of fact, and eventually. Which one would you like to start with?
All right, so this could be the first like the first round of the implementation, which is, I think it is proper, but I'm really tired. I want to just do a commit here and leave it for another round later. Bring the ID of the task, just commit it, and yeah, the rest would be for later. I'm really tired. I want to just say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you later.